Okay, I'm gonna describe a problem that I had to you guys on this Epson projector, and then I'll show you how I resolved it. This is the audio cable that's coming from all the way through back to the computer. When using the Epson under the source of computer, the audio worked. When using the Epson under the source of the wireless projection, the audio didn't work. What I finally did was I came up here and I unplugged this wire, and then the audio from the wireless projection worked. And then I plugged this wire back in and the audio from the wireless projection worked. So it must have been just something that got caught in its configuration. Keep an eye on that though. Maybe this, I would like to have that plugged in so they have the option of doing VGA or wireless projection.